Yes, chef.
Today we're going to make seafood sandwich. For this recipe, all we need is baguette, cornmeal, fresh shrimp, corn flour, oil, coriander, lime, paprika, black pepper, lemon juice, mustard, Sriracha sauce, salt, egg yolk, onion powder, red onion, and spring onion. Start by making mayonnaise needed. Put 2 egg yolk in a bowl and whisk. Add mustard, add lemon juice, add the oil gradually until perfect consistency achieved. Add Sriracha sauce, mix and set aside. Meanwhile, chop coriander, slice onion, chop spring onion, slice and squeeze lime juice, add pepper and salt to taste, mix and drizzle an olive oil. In a clean bowl, place corn flour, cornmeal, add onion powder, paprika, black pepper powder, and salt. Mix the ingredients together. Coat the fresh shrimp into the mix and dust it off. In a hot pan, place cooking oil. Make sure it's hot enough and start frying the shrimp in 2 minutes. Once cooked, set it aside. Start preparing the sandwich by slicing the bread into half. Spread mayo mix in both sides. Add the fried shrimp and top with mixed vegetable.